wanna be around when you chase. You wanna hit me up when you make. You tryna come back when you face. I always want you to, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I wanna say. I wanna be around while you chase. You wanna hit me up when you make. You try to come back when you fail. I always want to do it, but it's dangerous. You got something real amazing. You wanna give me a stop. Yeah. I was on this side, I was over all this. Hey, told me about all your insecurities for what? Drag me like 2 hours to your family's house for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around to save this stuff. And like guns with the ink in you, getting under my skin. The little young thing, got a nigga confidence, got me too excited. Yeah. Play me. No doubt, dirty, shameful, crazy. I need to know how the new nigga you got does the same thing I do for a living, but it's way less wavy. How you even imagine to keep straight faces and all the pictures that I've seen lately? Lord knows you still look amazing. That's besides the point I'm making. You're way too opinionated. I have to force it, I have to fake it. You have potential, I could've shaped it.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Dom the Tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for Remy Forte hair, and today you guys, I am reviewing this 360 unit from them. And even though it is a 360 unit, I didn't put my hair up in a ponytail. The only reason being is because they have like these really beautiful curls that they already put in the unit. I actually had a unit similar to this not too long ago, and I really do like the curls on this one. Like, I didn't have to separate it much at all, you know what I mean? This is exactly how it came out of the box. I did kind of like freshen up these front pieces here. As you guys saw, I did use this flat iron at first, but then I ended up switching to my curling iron offline. But I did end up switching to a curling iron off camera, and that helped like get the perfect like wave. And then I just made like a little hump here in the front. Not really a hump, like a flip, you know what I mean? I wish I had those little clips. I think I need to order me some. I seen some on Shein, so I'm gonna order a couple of those. But I really liked how this unit was pre-curled, and I feel like if I put it up in a ponytail, you wouldn't be able to get like, you wouldn't be able to see how beautiful the curls are, because it would just be like a ponytail with curls. And it's a shorter unit, it's not like really long, so it's like, you know what I mean, putting it up in a ponytail, I just didn't feel like I would want to do that with this particular unit, because it's so pretty down and curled like this. It just feels like so classy, and I just love this kind of look. Because you guys know, most of the time when I style my hair, I typically go for like a curly unit with a middle part. That's like my favorite thing. That's like my everyday thing. Or even like a curly unit with like a flip over or something. But I wanted to do something a little bit different, so this is the vibe, and I've really been feeling this. And I like the fact that even though this unit did come with some pre-done like baby hairs, I didn't want to add any baby hairs to it, because I feel like it just looks a lot better without it, you know what I mean? It just looks really, really good. And the lace in this unit is absolutely amazing. I only use some Got2b glue like on the very edges, as you guys saw. I didn't put anything in the center part, so I like that about it. It just laid so flat, so bomb, and I'm happy about that. Now this unit does have the invisible straps in this unit, so be sure when you see those clear straps in your unit, do not by any means cut those off, because that's actually how you tighten the unit. And I will say that I like those. I like that because it makes it like the perfect fit no matter what head size that you have, because you know we're not all one size fits all. I have a smaller head where I know there's a lot of people who may have like a wider face or you know just a bigger head than mine. So it's nice to know that you have a unit like this where you can adjust it to any size that you like. You can make it as tight or as loose as you want to. This unit also does come with a adjustable elastic band in the inside that clips in, and you can also take it out if you want to. And I love the fit of this unit. I cannot stress that enough. I also like the fact that it's not too bulky. There was a portion of it that I needed to like flatten out, but as you guys can see, I was able to do that just fine. That was not a problem at all. And I just used a hot comb to do that and just hit the top part. So love this unit. I just think it looks so pretty. I feel really pretty right now, like wearing this. Like honestly, like it's bomb. And to know like this is just how it already comes, like with these pretty curls in it. Like the curls are just really nice and they're not going anywhere, because you know sometimes when you sit there and like you're curling your hair, like you'll curl one side and then you go to the other side, and then this side is like looser than this side because you started over here first, because the curls are starting to drop. You don't have to use like any hairspray or anything like that. The curls are very soft to touch. They're not like all crunchy. I don't know how they're keeping these curls in the unit, because think about it, like this was just literally in a box, was shipped all the way from another country to me, and it's still styled so perfectly. Like we have to consider these kinds of things. Like this is just amazing to me, and I just absolutely love the way that the lace melted. I mean, like, look at that lace. Like, you don't need the baby hair, even though they put baby hairs in here, because, you know, a lot of people do sometimes like to have those baby hairs. Me, I don't want any of that, because I just feel like it looks so good without it. Let me zoom you guys up a little more. Yeah, like it just looks so good without like adding the baby hair. And the reason why this portion here is shiny is because I did put a little hairspray on my comb, and then I combed it up just so we can have like that lift right there. That's what I wanted. And also I like the density for this unit. It's not too thin, and you know sometimes you have to worry about that with certain units, you know, like oh god, just hope. Like I prefer to have a unit that's too full than to have a unit that's like super thin. So I like the fact that this one is nice and decent. It's a nice density, but it's not like overwhelming, you know what I mean? And this is all of the hair up front, by the way, so this is what it's giving. And the curls are so bouncy. Like look at that. I love that, you guys. So bomb. I just feel like that right now. I just feel really pretty and feminine, and I've really been liking this look. But like I said, this is a 360 unit, so if you want to, you can definitely put this up in a ponytail. You can do 2 ponytails. You can literally style this unit any way you like, and you can get so many looks with just one unit. So I love that about it. Now as far as the length on this one, I'm not exactly sure, but I would say this is about a 24 inch, just because there's nothing on the box or anything that shows like the details for this unit. But I do know that it's a 360 unit, and I feel like this is about a 24 inch. I don't think it's anything longer than that, and I don't think it's a 22, because a 22 is a little bit shorter than this. But yeah, you guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know by liking the video. Liking the video helps your girl get in the algorithm, so make sure you do like the video so we can get these views up. Make sure you also drop a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts on today's look. Shout out to Remy Forte once again for sponsoring today's video. Shout out to all of you guys for watching, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.